4 deadly mistakes to avoid when buying land or real estate here in Cameroon. Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Daniel and I'm a real estate consultant here in the city of Buea. In this channel, I release educational and informational videos that will help you gain high return on investment in real estate. So if you are new to this channel, please click the like button, subscribe and turn on your notification bell so that next time I release valuable videos like this, you will be the first to know. So let's dive right in. What are the 4 deadly mistakes to avoid when buying land or real estate here in Cameroon? Number 1, not doing your due diligence. I mean, it's millions we are talking about here, right? And it's your hard-earned money. So you should always make sure you do your due diligence. Ask enough questions. Before purchasing the land, ask for a survey plan. And when they give you the survey plan, go to the Ministry of Lands and verify. After you confirm that the survey plan has been registered, then you can go ahead and buy your property. Mistake number 2, not conducting a physical inspection. Now, don't buy what you have not seen. The inspection could either be physical or virtual. We've had Cameroonians abroad who want to buy a property and they don't even trust any of their relatives or family members here in Cameroon. So they prefer a virtual inspection, and it is very important to go for inspection. The reason is because you might not just like the place, right? So if you go and you see the land and you see that what was explained or what was shown to you is not what you are seeing, then you can decline and not buy the property. Or you can even go and you figure out that the land is in a swampy area, it has high tension cables passing on it, it's also in a very steep location. If the land they are showing you has these 3 things, that is a swampy area, has high tension cables passing on it, or is in a very steep location, please don't purchase that land, because the ones with the high tension cable is a government acquired land. The swampy areas, the steep location, most times don't have titles or land documents. You also conduct a physical inspection to check the beacon. Mistake number 3, paying cash. Please do not buy a property by paying cash. Do not pay through a realtor. Do not send a realtor your money. If the realtor is working with a company, the real estate company should have a corporate account. You demand for the corporate account and do a bank transfer. The reason is so that you keep track of the original receipt and payment. In case any dispute arises, you will have tangible proof. And mistake number 4, buying through sentiments. Please do not use emotions to buy a property. Remember, it's your hard-earned money we are talking about here, right? So it doesn't really matter if it's your father, your mother, your brother, your sister, or your uncle that knows somebody who has the property. The fact that they know somebody who has a property does not mean that they know whatsoever it takes for a property to be genuine. That's why I always advise individuals, especially Cameroonians in the diaspora, to buy from a genuine real estate company. I made a video on how to identify a genuine real estate company and buy from them. Just be keen, at the end of this video, the thumbnail or the image of that video is going to pop up on the screen. You can click and watch that video. The reason why I advise that you buy from a real estate company is because first, it's going to save you the emotional stress, and secondly, they have a reputation to protect. Also, real estate companies help you at times fence the property or fence the land. They help you do your due diligence. They check everything. They make sure that the survey plan is correct and is registered, and they also avoid land encroachers. So you see that there is a whole lot of help that real estate companies offer you. Genuine real estate companies. My name is Daniel. I'm a real estate consultant here in the city of Buea, and I work with genuine real estate companies. If you buy through me, I make a commission. However, my goal is to help you invest your hard-earned money in the best real estate deals here in the city of Buea, Cameroon, and get you high return on investment. Till I come your way again, stay blessed.